What's up, viewers? Today's going to be a little late, so yeah, I'm going to do it. So from last topic, it will be from Line Slimetopia. Let's test this bad boy out. No. Ooh, this is super crunchy. Oh shit. Oh, sorry for swearing. I mean shoot. Oh shoot. Alright. Let's check in with our angel and devil. Wow, this I like it. This smells like peaches. When you grip it, it goes onto your fingers. Really, sweetie? Devil of disgust? How disgusted are you? This is gross. It is like sticking to my hand. That's supposed to be. It's really sticky. When I pull it, it's stringy. That's supposed to be. It tastes horrible. She's like, bleh. Kid, don't eat slime. Oh, gross. I'll delete my channel. And you won't be liable. So, remember, in the half turn, who went to Line Island? Well, that's a lot. So, the book day is next week. So, guys, what day is on it? Correct. Third day on a Thursday. So, alright. Who wants to have a singing competition? So in one other topic, we have a singing competition, but this time the singing competition will be the full version. You can sing. This time I'll put down the comments, then people could request me topics that I want. Please, Billy, the character elimination master, if you're watching this, you have to come to the UK and you can make a video of me in Trust Got Talent finals. I hope I get in fifth place. And remember, don't be like DW. And my face cold. Be more like these girls. Knew what I need, a Catherine hair. You miss my friends, Any friends? Y'all, they call me Sassy, but her name is Sanika. Let's put that together. It's Sassy Sunny time. Yo, Sassy Santa time. Yo, Sassy Santa time. Thank you for watching. Bye.